So you open your Seller Central account and suddenly you saw this dreaded message on it, right? And I know it's nerve-wracking to see this message, but don't worry because a lot of people are getting it because of the Informed Consumer Act. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how we can solve this issue. And especially, I'm going to focus on how we can create that self-attestation document that they're wanting you to submit and to make sure that they're going to approve it. So your deactivation risk will go away. So usually, when you receive this message, so the reason why your account is at risk of deactivation is because they want you to verify yourself so that you are in compliance with the Informed Consumer Act. A lot of them are already verified if you are already selling for a while. So tax verification, address verification, bank account verification, and phone number verification are usually already verified. If it's not, then you need to make sure to verify them, which is easy to do. The one that we're going to talk about today is the identity verification process. So once you click that identity verification, basically it will take you to the information that you input. So the primary contact information, beneficial owner. So if you are a corporation, for example, and you own the company with your husband and your beneficial owner is only one person, make sure to add your partner or your husband who are in the corporation. So now if you are only alone, then you don't need to. But with me, in my case, because the business is between me and my husband, I need to add that information in the system. So in the Information Consumer Act, usually they're going to show you your identity, your business address, bank account, phone number, and tax ID. So make sure to review them to ensure that everything is updated. So once everything is good, then you just need to verify by submitting the self-attestation document. For your business to be verified, so you need to submit a self-attestation document. And here is the list of the criteria that they want you to input in the document so that they can approve it. So one, the document must show the business name and entity. Number two, the document must list the entire business structure, including parent companies, ultimate beneficial owner, director, trustee in terms of physical person who owns 25% or more of the shares, the date of birth, and the percentage of share that they own. So the document must also be signed by a legal representative of the business, such as CEO or a beneficial owner, and the document must be dated within the last 180 days. So if the business has a parent company, the self-attestation document must also meet the following criteria. So the document must confirm the ultimate beneficial owner who owns 25% or more, shares, voting rights, and ownership interest of the registered business. The document must confirm that the company that owned 25% or more of shares, voting rights, and ownership interest in the registered business, and must confirm a list of companies that are involved in the business structure and provide confirmation that all those companies involved in the business structure are active. So these are basically the criteria that they want for your self-attestation document. So if you are sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, you need to abide with this criteria. So in here is actually Amazon's example of what they want to see in your document. So basically what they want is information of who owns the business with the information of the company, information of the person who owns it. If it's not the parent company, you need to explain it here. So if you like the content that I am giving you, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever I have a new video. So also, if you're a newbie and you need help or you just want to fast track your knowledge in Amazon selling, I do offer courses that can help you to start, grow, and scale your own Amazon business. Just email me at cheryl@cherylmarcinek.com and I can assess you and see what course is perfect for you. So also you need to make sure that the date is within 180 days and then you need to have a signature. So now I have students who actually are sole proprietor and they just opened the account recently within 180 days, when they were asked about this, they send only their business license and got approved. So you can try that first to see if your business documents is actually within 180 days. Try that first. So for those of us who's been in the business for long, so I myself submitted and created my own self-attestation document. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create your logo and the stamp. And then I'm going to share with you the documents, this exact documents that you can download and copy and then do it on your own with your own information. Okay, so let's start first with how you can create the logo. So creating logo with Canva is very easy. What you just need to do is go into their site, canva.com, and then you start with create a design. Okay, so once you click this, you can just type the word logo and it will actually give you already a lot of different templates that you can create. Okay, so I would go for the first one. It says logo, very simple one. Click that and it will take you to a clean slate where you can create the logo. So you don't need to do it very complicated. I would say don't make a lot of fuss about this because this is more for you to be able to comply with Amazon, right? So on the side, if you can see, there says there templates. There's already a lot of templates that you can do. So for example, if you want, you can put like, for example, ABC company, right? So AB, something like that. If you have your name, like maybe initial or something. So for example, AB, I would do that. And then it will show you everything that has AB on it. So as you can see, some has the pro version and though some don't have. So I don't want you to pay for anything. So just use anything that doesn't have the little crown icon so that it's easy for you. So for example, this one, we can just use this and then you can put, for example, so once you click this, you can just say ABC Incorporated or Inc. like that, right? So you can make it a bit bigger. So if you want, you can click this and then letter spacing to make it a bit nicer, and that's it. So that's it. That's your logo. So all you need to do is download it. So click the share, and then in here, click download. And I would say just go for JPEG and then just download it. Okay, so once you download it, now you have your official logo for your company. So what I would do is, after I downloaded it, I would upload this in Canva. So to download it, just go click upload, okay, and then upload file, and then get it from the folder where you actually save it. So here you go. Now I have it uploaded here. Okay, now that we're done with our logo, the next thing that we're gonna do is to create the stamp. So in here, we're going to add another page, and then from the design, okay, make sure to click design and then type stamp, okay? So one of the best part about Canva is that there's already a lot of pre-made one that you can use. Maybe use a very simple one. So for example, this one is okay. So, or this one, it would be good. Okay, there you go. What you can do is you can actually search for a real stamp to see what do they put in there, right? What you can do is you can actually go to Google and type company stamp. And then once you type the company stamp, go to images, and then we can see samples of company stamps. What are the usual one, right? So for example, in here, it says your company name, corporate seal, maybe not too complicated. So this one, as you can see, under Milfin, blah, blah, and then ABN number. Okay, so what I would do is I'm just gonna go for example here. I would put, okay, so maybe in here you can put ABC company, right? Then you can, if it's long, you can say ABC company international. So just put whatever you want, that international, okay, something like that. That will make it better. And then maybe here, instead of word, you can put, like, for example, business number, right? BN, business number, something like that. And then maybe you can put like your number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's just a sample, right? So that's it. So once it's done, so just copy whatever is in here to make it look more decent, right? So I would go for red. Like I like to make it more red because usually stamps are red. So I'll color it red, right? Change all with red, something like that. In here as well, you can actually change everything if you okay. So I would go for red and then just change all. I'm just concerned that the logo will gonna get changed. Anyways, we don't need the logo right now. So after you're done with this, you can download it, but this time there's a difference in how you're gonna download it. So what you're going to do is you're gonna click share and then download and use PNG for this one so that you can have a transparent background. What you want is that the background is transparent so that it's only the seal that you want from it, okay? So in here, you can take off the logo and then download this one, okay? So once you download it, then you upload it again into Canva so we can use it for creating the self-attestation. So everything is downloaded, okay? So the logo is here. This one is here. So what you're going to do, so you have the template from me, right? So all you need to do is exchange this, grab it. So make sure it's in the middle. So you can make it smaller, okay? And like that, okay? And then from here, you're going to change the words. So I can make it bigger for you. Change the business name, business address, all this information. So this is for corporation, okay? So also information about ABC Inc. So make sure to highlight that full name. So you write the name of those who owns it, okay? So if it's only you, then you just change I, the undersigned, and then here you can put, only one, and then you say 100% instead of 50-50. Then there are no parent companies and so on and so forth. So you change whatever is needed to be changed. And then from here, okay, you change this too, okay, changes, take off this one. And I'm going to show you on how to do the signature as well. So then you put it, I know it's so big, so you need to make sure that you make it smaller, okay, smaller like that, enough for it to be in, okay? So you can do like that. You can make it even like a little bit sideways to show that it's okay. Okay, so and then you do signature. So to do the signature, you can go to tools, okay? And then here there's a pen that's draw, okay? And then use this pen and change it to black, okay? So then after that, you can actually sign this, whatever, like that, okay? So you can sign this. So if there's only one of you, like take this off and then that's it. So now if you are really sole proprietor, so this is another template that you can use and then edit this one and download whatever you just need. Okay, so to download, okay, so to download this, what you're going to do, okay, let's, for example, you're just going to download the page one, share, then download, then you need to use the word PDF, okay? So PDF standard. So PDF standard, that's the one. And then you can choose only the one that you're going to download. So unselect all and page one. Okay, so click that and then download. So now once it's all downloaded, that's the one that you're going to submit to Amazon. So I click that and here it is, okay? So all is in here. So you just save this and then send it to Amazon. I got approved with this. So that's it. That's how easy it is to do it. So usually they say it will take few days, up to 12 days even to approve this. So what you can do is wait for a little bit, but make sure to act on this right away once you receive the deactivation notice, so that you can correct it as fast as you can if they're asking for more. So, but I got approved on the things that I exactly showed you. So this one actually worked. So if you think that this is helpful for you, please like and subscribe, and please follow me on my YouTube channel and share this